So we've got our new app set up, and what we'd like to do now is start to add items to our first screen. So we've got different tabs up here which can take you to different screens, and we can also program in all sorts of different screens as well, and we lay out one screen at a time. Now if that doesn't make sense, don't worry, I will take you through it. So if I click on add new item here, it adds the most basic screen item, which is one of these little menu things, and it gives you the settings over here. And again, I can browse or upload an image, and let me have a look. Gallery images, why not? Oh, don't like those. So featured images, let's see what we've got there. General icons. Alright, well I might have to go back to gallery images because it doesn't seem that I've got that many on there. So if I select this one, you can see what will happen is it will download it here, and when we save it, it will come over here. Now we've got the title here, so we could say kids information, not forgetting your apostrophe. And then the subtitle down here can tell them what it's about. This is a bunch of information for kids. Just like that. Now, those are the settings we've got, and what we can have a look at is what happens when we click on it. And at the moment, it just changes to another screen. So we're going to see that behaviour first, and we'll have a look at other behaviours later. So, save it. And then when it's saved, it will appear over here, and that icon comes up just like that. So, what we can do is then we can click, and then we can navigate, and we get to a new screen. We can go back to the previous screen, and then navigate to the new screen. Now this is when we're in programming mode. If we want to see what that is actually going to look like, you can click on the share button and preview. And what that will do is it will load your app as if it's actually loaded properly on a phone. You can use these apps on a phone, they're completely genuine, and you can build them, you can put them in the App Store, and we might have a look at that later. So here we are, we've got tab name, screen name, we can change those later, and then kids information, and there we go to kids, back again, to kids, back again. So we're already starting to build an interactive app. What we probably want to do now is go back to our programming mode, so I just clicked on a different tab for that, and start to change things. Like, for example, there's the tab name up here. I might want to edit that, and I might want to say home, and save. And in this way you can start to customize all sorts of things on your mobile app. So the screen name will be welcome, and save. There we are. So in the next few videos I'm going to show you some of the different items you can put on here, and then how to program those items to do different things.